Welcome to Cafe Dilemma's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I make my stir-fried bok choy with shiitake mushrooms. And this is very easy to make. These are all the ingredients that I prepared. Our sliced shiitake mushrooms. We have a chopped bok choy. And then we're going to need also a sesame oil, oyster sauce, minced ginger, chopped fresh spring onion, and then we are also like gonna need a minced chopped garlic, and lastly our olive oil. And let's start it. All right, so we are going to start making our stir-fried bok choy with shiitake mushrooms. Okay, so now we're gonna add our olive oil. We're going to put our minced chopped ginger now. And also our minced chopped garlic. Let's just add it together. Smells very nice. So now we're gonna add our shiitake mushrooms. Then we are also like gonna put the sesame oil now. Together with our oyster sauce to get all the flavors. Smells very yummy. Please try this recipe. It is very good and also very healthy. Okay. So after we mix all together, in a minute we're gonna add our bok choy. And then the spring onions. Okay. Let's just add a little bit more of sesame oil to get more flavor. Then our spring onions. The last thing we're gonna add is some salt. Then after we mix all together, it is ready to serve. We don't have to like overcook the veggies. Okay, there we go. Here is my stir-fried bok choy with shiitake mushrooms. And I put some sesame seeds on top, make it a little bit more tastier. Alright. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.